Welcome back to Overheat, Lexus Motorhome 2026. Exterior. The RV will include the big, recognizable spindle grille, which is a hallmark of Lexus design, but it will probably be interpreted in a more contemporary, aerodynamic manner. Better fuel efficiency will result from the body lines flowing smoothly and lowering wind resistance. Adaptive matrix LED technology will be used in the headlights and taillights, enabling various illumination patterns based on traffic and road conditions. Like the sonic copper or iridium paint treatments already seen on other Lexus cars, the exterior will be finished with a premium paint job that has a deep sheen. The inside will feel spacious because to the large panoramic windows that are harmoniously incorporated into the body design. Standard equipment will include large alloy wheels with a complex multi-spoke design. Interior, entertainment, navigation, and vehicle information are shown on large digital screens. There will be heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities for the driver and front passenger seats. This space will have a big old screen set into the wall, fold-out table, and leather sofas that can be adjusted electrically. Ambient lighting with adjustable LEDs will produce a distinctive ambience. Modern kitchen gadgets like a convection microwave, double-door refrigerator, and induction cooktop will be installed, along with worktops composed of high-end composite materials or natural stone. The master bedroom will have a built-in wardrobe, a personal entertainment screen, and a king-size bed with a high-end mattress. This motorhome's powertrain is probably going to be hybrid or perhaps all-electric BEV for quiet, efficient, and eco-friendly operation. Sufficient range can be achieved with a big battery. A rooftop solar panel will probably be installed on the RV to power minor electronics and charge the auxiliary batteries. A smartphone app will be used to control many of the motorhome's features, such as locking the doors, opening the awning, and turning on the air conditioner. 5G connectivity will be completely integrated into the infotainment system.